Alright, Fearless Mods fans, time has come to take the STi to Ohio. So she's all roadworthy, got her ready to go. Side skirt on, looking good. Ready to rock and roll. My boys will be driving that. I'll be on the motorcycle. It's gonna be a long day. Booty's fine, my freaking, ow.
Oh, those.
All right guys, here we are, first stop. We're, how far in have we gone?
3 hours, maybe 2.5.
2.5 to 3 hours, how many miles is that? Ooh, look at the crap all over the front of the car.
It's like 150.
What is that? It's like,
It's from that truck.
Is it?
It was spewing stuff out.
Oh, that's disgusting.
So,
It's probably air conditioning, right? I hope. If it's me. Doesn't look like it. Is it water? Okay. Oh yeah, that must be nice. Actually, it feels really good out. Okay, it's nice and disgustingly dirty.
okay, love you.
Okay, made it about just under 100 miles. I even brought salad to eat for lunch so it wouldn't make me sleepy on the motorcycle, because that's not a fun feeling. And it didn't do the trick. So now I'm just hungry and sleepy. So just grabbed a Red Bull. The Subaru's over there doing great, making a good trip. And the bike's doing good too. I'm just the weak link in the bunch. So anyway, time to suit back up and hit the road again. I think we're about 250 or 260 miles in with about 300 to go. My favorite place in Ohio. If you've never seen this before, you're in for a surprise. I'm gonna do 4-way with onions too, please.
3 cheese counties with everything. 3 everything?
What does everything mean?
Like
Mustard, onions.
Okay, I'll do the same thing.
Oh,
So,
Conies, yes.
YouTube.
4-way with onions. Okay, don't make fun of the helmet head, but this stuff, if you've never had it, is amazing. If you're from Texas, you won't like it because you're thinking of chili, and this is not chili like you think of. It's spaghetti with chili sauce and lots of cheese and onions, and it's awesome. This is the best Ohio food ever. Okay, fed. We've made it to Columbus, and now we got about an hour to go. So on the downward throes of the trip, the car is holding up well, providing them with air conditioning and luxury all the way. Looking quite road grimy. Ugh. But oh yeah, they've even had to use the windshield wipers. But yeah, so we'll go ahead and get it on back in, park all the cars over in the lot, so that about a month from now, when we actually move here and bring the rest of the fleet, we will be already have them pre-positioned. Alright guys, so about to drop off the car and the bike. I just wanted to let you know that there's been questions about the titling process, and this is my first time. So when Chris does it on Vias for Build in Oregon, man, he's got it simple. He just takes the car in, has it inspected them in, and they give him a plate. For me, I had to take my New Jersey salvage title, come to Ohio, and transfer it to an Ohio salvage title, and then pay for an inspection that the state patrol will do. So right now that's scheduled for the 2nd of July. We're going to park the car today, and when I get back here on the 1st of July, next first order of business on the 2nd will be to get that inspection done with the state patrol. Once I get that inspection, then it's a matter of going back to the DMV, transitioning my salvage title to a rebuild title, and then licensing it. In New Jersey, it was similar, probably slightly more complicated, and the fees were higher. I think the inspection was $200. I can't remember what it was here, but maybe like $35 or $50 at the most. The car itself, how did it do on the trip? I got my high school senior and my college junior driving it, so of course they've been ripping on it, and it's been doing fantastic. It's got the check engine light on still for the air injection system, A and B, the auxiliary air injection system, which injects air back into the exhaust. Supposedly if those lights are on, causes it to run rough. It's not running rough at all, so I think it's, I don't think it's necessarily an accurate reading, but when that's tripped, it will not allow, probably because of the anticipated rough running, it does not allow them to use the cruise control. So they drove the whole way without the cruise control, and like I say, they were ripping on it. It's boosted great, it's driving great.